Hello designers, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create this modern artistic poster using some hidden features in Photoshop. This is a great project for sharpening your layout and typography skills. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly design content. Let's head over to Canvas and get started. So we come to File and we say New. Now we're going to name our project Design. And I'll give it a width of 1200 and the height of 1200. Resolution is set to 300 pixels and the background color white. So click on create. So first I'm going to bring in my image and just click and drag the image into the canvas. Now I want to stretch my image to cover all over the screen. Now you can just hold the edge of your image layer. If you don't have that, just press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Now as you're stretching, you can hold down Alt, the Alt key on the keyboard as you're stretching. So you stretch. Once we get it to fill up the screen, we can just release the mouse. So this is fine for me. And you come up here and click on the confirm. Now that has just confirmed our image size. So we're going to bring out the ruler to get the midpoint of our canvas area. So just press Ctrl R on your keyboard and that will bring out the ruler. So we say Ctrl R. Then I can come up or come to the side. Yes, better still, because I want to have it this way. So now as you're moving that, we want to snap to, see, 50. It's already giving me 50 here, 50 half. See, from 0 to 50, then from 50 to 100. If you don't have this like this on your canvas area, you can right click on the ruler and change it to percentage. Okay, so this is the midpoint of our canvas area, and I can now begin to create my design here. So come to the toolbar area and click on this. I want to make use of the rectangle tool, and color is set to white. Make sure you're not on path but on shape. When you come up to the attribute up here, you want to make sure that you're on shape and click on the fill. Make sure it's not crossed, it's not closed. Then set your color. You can click this to set your color. So I'm setting mine to white. You can see it's on white already there. Click on OK. Then there's stroke. I don't want the stroke, so I just clicked on the stroke color and I'm going to cancel. You can see the red line there. Now that cancels the stroke. So I come to the canvas area and I just click and drag. It doesn't matter, it can cover the right side of our canvas area, and you see that has given us this half cut over our screen. So I want to rename the layer. I double click on it here and change it to half cut. So let's go to our toolbar and select the text tool. You want to make sure you're on the horizontal type, and let's begin to type out our words. So let's write our text. We'll go to the toolbar and we click on the text tool. You want to make sure you are on the horizontal type tool. So with that selected, we click on the canvas area and just backspace that to get out of the way. Now let's start typing. So I'll say start small, then grow big daily. Good. So okay this, and let's select our move tool and position our text where we want it. Now we're going to change this our text font. So I'm going to come to this and let me use a text font that is okay. Something like this is good. This is good. Nice. So let's align this our text properly. So I'm going to press Ctrl A, and that gives us this selection over our canvas area, and select the text that you want to align. Then come up here and align it. And that I just align that. If you saw that move, okay, it's fine like this. So let's deselect all of that. Press Ctrl D, and all of that is gone. Fine. Now remember we said we're going to create this design with some hidden features in Photoshop. So we're going to achieve that through the blending options. So we want to have our text selected here, then right click on it and select the blending options. So you can see the blending options here and the fill opacity. When you set a layer's fill opacity to 0 and select a knockout option from the drop down here, the layer becomes invisible, but its shape acts as a cutter for the layer beneath it. That's the layer under it. Its shape will act as a cutter for it. Now, shallow here tells Photoshop to stop that cut at the bottom of the current layer group. It's important you understand that. It means that the layer, the last layer on that group, you should end it there on that group. While deep tells Photoshop to ignore all groups and layers until it hits either the bottom background layer or the transparency. If you understand that, it drills deep down till it gets to the bottom of the layer here, either the background or the transparency. That's for deep, but shallow stops at just that group. It cuts through and ends it at that group. So let's take down our fill opacity. You can see it has just become invisible, and let's select shallow. Now that has cut through to the end of the layer, the last layer on the group. So we're going to click on OK. Now you can see that. So let's come to the toolbar here and say rectangle tool. I want to select the rectangle tool by dragging. Just click and drag. Now we can right click on the layer and say blending options. Then we want to take away the fill opacity and add the stroke. You can see that has just given us this stroke on our layer. You can increase the size here. And say OK. Good. So let's take that below our text because it's cutting through anything below it in the group. So we want to come to the shape tool still and select our ellipse tool and just click and drag. You can hold down shift to have a rounded circle. And let's change that color to, now that's fine. It's fine. So select the move tool and bring it up here. Okay, so this is fine. Now I want to put it inside the group so it cuts through the text layer, cuts through it. So select it and make sure it goes under the text too. You can see that under it goes down. So we're going to duplicate this layer right now. So I'll say have it selected and I say Ctrl J to duplicate it, so I move it down. Now let me increase it by just dragging the edge, one of the edge points there, and position it. Now I can change the color to good. So we want to select our image layer here, and let's come to the adjustment layer. So click on it and we want to select the color lookup. Now with this color lookup, you have it selected. We'll come to the load 3D LUT. Now this will allow us to change the look of our image. Let's just select one of these so you see that. You can see. Switch to something else. Yes. Let's have something. No. Okay, now this is fine. Alright guys, so let's take away this ruler guide here. We don't need it anymore, so you can break it out. Good. So you can press F on your keyboard to have a final preview. Now this is it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to share our videos, like and subscribe, and also drop comments on the comment section for more videos you would like to see. Thank you very much, and see you next time.